Down the shed! Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. In this episode you're going to see a ready-made project. I did put it together using the new soldering iron. However, for some reason my watch and my camera phone aren't best of friends at the moment, and I'm recording gigabyte plus size files with absolutely no content, so I'm going to delete all the apps and reload them. So for the minute I'm using the crappy camera I got off AliExpress, 16 quid. It is bad. When you pull the lens around and twist it so you could see what you're recording, on most cameras it'll flip the image. On this one it stays upside down, which is really annoying. Yeah, so I will get another one of these kits and do a video build on the actual project. I'm pretty pleased with the actual kit itself, and as you can see, www.ICSTATION.com, enter voucher code shed-ICS for 15% off. So if you visit ICSTATION.com and see anything that you wish, what was I looking for? See anything that you wish to buy, have 15% on me using shed-ICS voucher code. There we go. Don't like getting new batteries out. I'm so tight. So basically what we have here is, there we go. So we've got green, yellow, red lights and infrared transmitter and receiver, and as the hand gets closer, as the hand gets closer you'll see the lights will come on. So this is going to get built, as I'll mention in the actual video. It's going to get modified into a usable project. So that'll end up on my driveway as a reversing sensor. So I'll give you what video I've got, and basically this is just a more to come. So I will be building this kit again in the future. It's actually a really fun kit because all the resistors and the two chips are actually surface mount, and everything else is through hole. So we've got 4 electrolytic caps, 3 ceramics, 2 diodes, and 2 of those variable resistor jewelry what's it thingies, 50 ohm and 500 ohm. So let's get on with whatever video I have got. Okay, so the phone had a malfunction. As you can see, I've completed the board, and the closer I can't do it with the phone. The closer I get my hand to these infrared, it's emitting the beam and then receiving it again, and the speed it receives it is the distance from the sensor. So as you can see, this works brilliantly. I am going to turn this into one of the kits where this isn't the end. There will be a following video when it gets modified. So I'm going to put this into an acrylic case from one of my excuse me smoking, not now, but yeah, so I'll put this into an acrylic So what I'll do is I'll put this into an acrylic case of some description from an old kit that I've finished with, destroyed, broken, or whatever. So it's waterproof, and this will get put up somewhere on my driveway. This will get put somewhere on my driveway, so when I reverse my cars on, I actually get a, I mean, I'm going to have to get really close to it anyway, but I will get a, basically as I approach it, that's going to come on, and then I know basically you're there. But that'll be close enough anyway. So the components you didn't see really, this is a 50 ohm resistor, variable resistor, and that is, or capacitor, I can't remember which it is, and that's 500k. Now there are very subtle differences between the two. but with what's written on them. So that's the 50k, and the other one, let's see if I can zoom it in this way. There you go, that's got a 13 and then the same number as the other one. So capacitors, let's see if they got the numbers. There we go, that's C6 and C3. What's that one? Can't even see it from here. C2. So capacitors, C5 is 100 UF, C2 is a 47 UF, C7 is a 20p, C3 is a 10 UF, C6 is 1 UF, C1, C4 are 104 ceramics. That'll be those two here. And that's the 20p there. The other capacitors there. Remember, the grey scale that you can see there is the negative or the short leg. There will be a white semicircle on the board, which is the negative side, and there also is a plus marking. So the long leg, as with LEDs, the long leg's always a plus. The green LED is 3, yellow 2, red 1. Is that LD? I can't see what the markings are under the, oh yeah, there we go, so we can get them in. So D3 is the transmitter, the clear one. D4 is the receiver, the dark one. There's your 555 timer. And the other chip, I don't know if you can make out any of the, see if I can get some zoom in. Can't really make out the, zoom back out. Oh, the two diodes again. You'll get a white band on the silk screen. The black band that you can see on the diodes goes in relation with the white band on the board, so they're opposites on this one. There's all a bunch of the resistors that we've done on the digital microscope. It's not that good for video making because I have to narrate afterwards, but that's the entire board. That's completed. It's a 9-volt battery supply. I can't remember what it came with, but I've just got one out of an old kit from in the drawer. And as I say, it's, as the hand comes closer, you can see. So this is a infrared distance detector kit. It's ICSTATION. So this is the DIY kit SMD infrared distance sensor indicator welding training board, electronic practice soldering kit. It's $2.79, but if you use discount code SHED-ICS, you'll get another 15% off that price. Its item ID is 13612, so just put that in the I'm looking for search box, 13612. When I edit this, there will be banners. So ICSTATION.com. For all your IC and robot gadget needs. So, cracking website. The delivery times I found so far, there's just some of the items in there. I find the delivery times are much more reliable than Banggood or AliExpress. They're a much better company to deal with. It's still a Chinese company, don't get me wrong, but they seem a far more professional outfit than the other two aforementioned. The link in the description to this product and their homepage are affiliated, so I will get a few % commission on anything you buy. But don't forget, use SHED-ICS discount code and you will save 15%, and you won't pay any extra for using my affiliated links. So please use my links. I'm yet to make any money out of anything, but the money I do make was going to get ploughed straight back into this channel anyway, either on better equipment, more equipment, or preferably more items to review or build. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry that my camera decided to screw up the 4 files I had to edit. So basically you went from SMD to finished product. That couldn't be helped. I've got 1.2 gigabyte, 1.4 gigabyte files with nothing in them. Hang on. I was going to show you, but I can't because the phone's not plugged into the computer. Yeah, so like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will purchase another one of these and finish the build properly. I'll stash these files away for the original half of this video, so I don't have to redo well, actually no, I'll redo the whole video. So yeah, I'll do a new video on this once I've get paid next week. I'll order another one of these kits, and at some point in the future there'll be an updated video of this, but you'll also hopefully by then see this one transformed into a working product and put on my driveway. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.